the people. The way you say to the people, it is not question for me. You don't know me. You try destroy me. You meet me for the trial. You don't know the blessing. I'm very tired. Why say the wrong to me? You can say to the people, say I am crazy for my life. I don't know the crazy we talking. I don't understand the world will say to me, brother, take you a time. Don't joke, it's my life. You don't know anything for me. Don't say wrong about me. I tell the truth for you. Maybe you don't know what I'm saying. I'm only you. It is the strong on in me. You try to say the wrong about my back. Everything you say, I'm going to my life. By the I am prepared to fight. I'm prepared for the war. You don't have the thing. Try to prepare. No matter how you see them, no matter how you taste, no matter how it's going. No matter how you see, no matter how you taste, no matter how it's going. I'm fighting for you. I get immortal. I'm fighting for you. I get immortal. Crazy mind don't feel jigga man. Maybe you don't know. I see crazy mind don't feel jigga man. I think about it too. The truth of my brain. You say to the people, I'm crazy. You can see the crazy. You say to the people, I don't leave you for my life before I'm dying. I don't leave you before I'm dying. I swear, my God. I swear, my Father. I will fight against you. The time will come. I am fighting against you. The time will come. I wanna show the crazy things you see. I wanna show the crazy things you know. I wanna see that they become to you. Nobody to survive you. I swear, I tell the truth. I don't fear the world I'm saying. I prepare myself. Nobody know tomorrow. Nobody know tomorrow. Nobody know tomorrow.